Okay. She threw a code. Inlet NOX sensor code. Inlet is, of course, behind the turbo, at the front of the, behind the turbo, where your exhaust fumes come out first. So it threw that code, inlet NOX sensor. So I knew I had to replace it. I'll show you the actual code and the code number in the video. However, this video is important because I actually decided to take it off myself, and the mistake I made, as you can see by looking at the NOX sensor, is that I nearly stripped it. I almost was unable to take it off, and the reason why that is because it is very, very, very important. The steps to doing this is, first, you release this because you want to be able to spin the wire. You want to be able to spin this as you're taking it off. So the first step is to release this. I'm going to unscrew this, take it off. Second step is to, which is the most important step of it all, and why I nearly stripped mine out, is that this is a must. You have to, and I mean have to, torch this until it turns red, about right here in this area. About in this area right here. Right at the bottom of this sensor, because if you don't torch that, you will not get that sensor out at all, because that sensor is what I believe to be heat locked, and unless you heat it up, you won't be able to get this sensor out. And you can believe that I tried several things to get this sensor out, including regular straight nose. I tried this sensor removal. I tried other wrenches. I also tried I bought a set of the closed nose wrenches, but you will not get it out, point blank period. So I mean, it's easy. It's an easy situation, but the most important thing that you must abide by is, this is the hardest part. Torching that thing until it turns red or it gets extremely hot. It's good to bring some WD-40, spray it before you start torching it, and then afterwards, and pause in between. Spray it again maybe 2 or 3 times, pausing in between. Or pull the fire away from it while you're spraying it. But like I say, it's very important that you get this thing hot. And then after you get it hot, you go ahead and try to screw it off. You will not have a problem screwing it off as long as you heat it up first. Signing out.